All right, you guys, let's go get ourselves another winner. This is for the Mask Monday I Do Care. It did have a giveaway along with a as a bonus. And if you guys do remember, this one did have the Hank and Henry handheld mirror. And it is a mystery beauty bundle. Includes 5 or more beauty products. So let's grab this link right here. Okay, everything has been reset. We're going to go ahead and pop it right in here. So there is that video. Filter duplicates, do the comment, and that one was meow. It was MEOW. Sorry about that, guys. I think I had my finger in the way and I had a hard time maneuvering around the keyboard. Okay, so the secret word was meow. And it was the Mini Meow Trio that Sassy did on her face for Mask Monday. So now we're going to go ahead and get our YouTube comments on those that used that secret word. We have 34. And are you guys ready? Drum roll, please. Let's do this. Patricia Anderson. I believe this is a new winner for us. I'm almost positive. Miss Sassy Pants, you never failed to make me laugh. My cat named Meow Meow looked at me like I was crazy. All right, congratulations to Patricia Anderson. She is the winner of the Hank and Henry handheld mirror mystery beauty bundle from Mask Monday. And now let's go check and see if Miss Anderson here is publicly subscribed to me. And there I am. I always like it when I'm right there up in front, you guys. It makes my job here that much easier. All right, Patricia, thank you so much for having me right there in your subscriber list. I appreciate that. You guys, please pay attention to this because I'm telling you right now, this is what can make or break you winning. So you can be picked, and if my name is not there, I go back down and I pick someone else. All right, you guys, give a big, huge congratulations to Patricia Anderson for winning the Hank and Henry and the mystery bundle for Sassy's Mask Monday with the secret word meow. All right, Patricia, all I need from you now is to please email me or send me a DM on Instagram with your address, and you've got 48 hours to do that. If any of you guys know Patricia or have a way of getting a hold of her, please let her know. Send her over here. The same goes for Debbie M. If you guys know who they are, please send them over to the video that shows where they won. Okay? If it was you, you'd want someone to let you know. Sometimes people don't always check YouTube. All right, you guys. Congratulations to my 2 winners. And I will see you guys in the next video and the next giveaway. Bye.